Dawson's 60 seconds. What is your name?
Dawson Shay Johnson.
Your middle name?
Shay.
Why Shay?
because it's my middle name and it means God will multiply.
Ah, good. What do you like the most?
Training with my dad.
Who is your best rugby player?
Jerry Twain calling me Sal.
Why Jerry?
Because he's doing magic in the middle of the field.
Ah, and Osha?
Because he's a great leader.
Yeah. What animal would you be?
A horse because it's got strength and speed.
What's your best memory?
Watching Fiji win gold in Rio.
What do you want to become?
To represent Fiji and become a professional rugby player.
Good. Describe yourself.
Made in England but Fijian to the bone. And get inspired Fijian. Thank you.
Thank you.